Hi everyone, I'm Chris Enns from Lemon Productions. I'm excited to announce and invite you to join my new course, Instagram 101. Maybe you're nervous about signing up for Instagram, you've heard friends talking about it, but you're not sure what it is and whether you should do it, whether you should use it. Maybe you've tried Instagram, but you're not sure if you're actually using it to its full potential. Or maybe you're nervous about using stories or Instagram Live and want to make sure you have it figured out before you potentially embarrass yourself. You won't. It's okay. In this course, I'll show you all the basics of Instagram. Setting up your account, setting up your profile, posting your first picture, using Instagram Live, how video works, how stories works, how hashtags work on Instagram, regramming, all that kind of stuff that you hear about maybe on Instagram is explained in this course. You'll also get access to a members-only private Facebook group where we'll all be able to help each other out with changes that happen to Instagram, things we figured out, tips and tricks along the way, that kind of stuff. If you've got any questions about this course before you buy it, there's a list of frequently asked questions down at the bottom of this page. And if those don't answer your question, you can also tweet at me. I'm iChris on Twitter, or feel free to send me an email, chris@lemonproductions.ca. I put a bunch of work into creating this course, and I hope you have as much fun watching and learning about Instagram as I did creating this course. Thanks for checking it out. Hope to see you on the other side.